This short video is a guided test to determine whether you have color blindness and the type of color blindness you may have. This test covers only a few types of color blindness and is not an exhaustive list. The types tested include red-green deficiency, protanopia, and deuteranopia. A quick disclaimer before we begin. This test is not a definitive test for color blindness or health advice from a doctor. This video is primarily for education and entertainment purposes. If you have concerns about your vision, please go talk to your doctor. This is an example of the types of images you will be seeing. There will be a number within the picture, and depending on what number you see or whether you can see it at all, can indicate whether or not you are colorblind or the type of color blindness you may have. In the preceding images, you will have 5 seconds to look at the image before continuing on to the results. In this example image, everyone should be able to clearly see the number 12. Now, let's move on to actual test images. Once again, you'll be given 5 seconds to look at each image before we move on to the results. If you have normal vision, you should be able to see the number 29. However, if you see the number 70, this may indicate that you have red-green deficiency, which can vary in severity. If you see the number 8, you have normal vision. If you see the number 3, this may indicate that you have red-green deficiency, which can vary in severity. The following test images will follow the same format. You will be given 5 seconds to look at the plate and then 3 seconds to look over the results before we continue. Protanopia and deuteranopia are both types of red-green color blindness. Individuals with protanopia lack red cones, resulting in reduced sensitivity to red light or are unable to see the color red. This affects only about 1% of males and is an inherited characteristic. Individuals with deuteranopia lack green cones, resulting in reduced sensitivity to green light or are unable to see the color green. This also only affects about 1% of males and is also inherited, like protanopia.